Hey guys, it's me Flint back again, and today we'll be reading Chapter 3, Part 3, The Theatre of the Mind, in The Sounds of Nightmares. The doll was doing as its name said, but the liquid was dark and thick. I put her down to find something else, but the choices were almost too many. Towering shelves extending deep in the gloom of the impossibly long shop. I settled on the game section, but most were meant for two. Suddenly, a staticky whisper said, "I'll play with you." I thought it was the shopkeeper, but nobody was around, except from a lock of hair on the ground. It was golden blonde. My eyes fell upon a jewelry making kit with a red necklace on the cover. I took the box back to where I left Lottie, only she was gone. The shelf where the other dolls had been was completely empty too. I wanted to make the jewelry, I really did, but I felt weird, so I put it down. Then the PA crackled. A woman's voice this time said, "Jujubee's Toys is now closing." The lights shut off. Bubbles stopped, and the last thing I saw before exiting was the train set crashing to a stop. The promenade seemed empty still, but I heard a gasp and some footsteps coming from some stairs up ahead. Each step echoed across the walls and floors, which were pearl white and had patterns like veins. I came to 3 sets of stairs, side by side, leading to the next floor. I chose one, and reaching to the top, I saw another open shop. Mademoiselle's Bijouterie. But regardless, you could read this. Yes, the letters were quite big. Have you been able to read in your dreams before? I'm not sure. That's not a question I would ask myself, though, Otto. Apologies. The glass case in the centre of the room pulled me in, full of gold and silver necklaces. Hanging in the middle was an enchanting red pendant. And before you ask, yes, it was just like on the box at the toy store. The PA came on again. "A free gift to all little girls, 10 and under." Without asking, I put the necklace on, glowing like a ruby teardrop. With my gift, I said to leave, but someone must have left the speaker on because I heard arguing. "Don't overdo it," said a first voice, followed by a second. "One more prize can't hurt." From the back room, a rack of dresses pulled out, all exactly my size. It had been ages since I was allowed to pick out my own dress. The telly people chose them for me. These ones were very pretty, with lace and bows and stitching. But one, it was a play dress I wore the day I arrived at the copy. How could my dress be here? "Your real life doesn't often mix into your dreams, Noon. Why now?" Pardon? I'm asking myself questions. Well, The only explanation is that they could see inside my head. I'm not sure that's logical. Let me finish, please. You'll see. Back out on the promenade, the shop gates began to slam shut. I was worried the mall was closing, but on the floor above, a set of spinning bright lights came on, and the music stopped, and the PA crackled with a sing-songy voice. Showtime's patrons, our daily motion picture will begin shortly. Hot popcorn's popping, and the seats await in the playhouse. The rest of the mall went dark, making the lights more enticing to follow. That's the end of Chapter 3, Part 3, The Theatre of the Mind. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll make another part tomorrow. Good night, my little ones.